You want it, you got it. There's your push for pledge. Listen, Iowa. I know when you say fuck me, you are really saying I love you because I love you.
Yeah.
So from the bottom of my heart, fuck you too.
Yeah. Fuck Steve Maclin! Fuck Steve Maclin!
Speaking of fucking Steve Maclin, my wife is at home. Hey Kelly, I hope you're ready and holding that baby nice and tight because those two arms of yours are going to be broken, bitch.
Oh!
Spoiler alert. And don't let me forget, last month when we were in Dayton, this man Pledge lost his virginity!
Oh!
What was his name? It's okay, I didn't say. Sabrina. Her name was Sabrina.
Yeah!
I swear, her name was Sabrina. Man, fuck Sabrina.
Fuck Sabrina! Fuck Sabrina! Fuck Sabrina!
Yes, he did. He did, yeah, he did.
Yeah.
Probably pretty quick, too.
8 seconds! 8 seconds!
Timed it?
8 seconds!
Oh, no.
8 minutes and 34 seconds.
Oh!
So is that the next beat the clock challenge for you? 8 minutes and 34 seconds? Hard cam's that way.
Let's go, Glenn!
Would you? Okay. Enough for the jokes, Iowa. I fucking love you.
We love you!
I love Pro Wrestling Revolver because Sandy Callahan brought me here when I was let go from somewhere else and he let me come here and show you who the fuck I am.
Yeah!
I'm an old goat, I guess.
Oh, good!
No, I'm fucking bulletproof, that's who I am, because whatever you throw at me, whatever you throw at Pledge, and I guarantee you, Red ain't fucking dead. Pro Wrestling Revolver is for our generation, it is by our generation, and this man right here is part of the next generation. So give it up for 8 minutes and 34 seconds, Big Dick Myers.
Yeah!